In this example, Kevin and Kathy are trying to figure out how much they're going to have to pay monthly to the National Trust Bank who have their mortgage. And they know that they have to pay $1,233.56 for their mortgage payment. Semi-annually, they have to pay their property bill of $5,206. And then annually, they have to pay homeowners insurance of $1,080. But they want to know how much they're going to have to pay monthly to the National Trust. And the reason that they have to pay the National Trust each of these is because the National Trust holds their money in what's called escrow. So a bank wants the insurance and taxes paid monthly so that they don't have to pay those large bills at the end of the year. Also, remember that the bank still owns that house. So the bank, or part of the house, so the bank wants to make sure that one, it's insured, and two, that the property bills are getting paid or the property taxes are getting paid. So the mortgage company is going to collect all of that money and then pay it out to the different people who need it, like the homeowners insurance and the government for the taxes, and then they'll keep the mortgage payment. So we want to know the mortgage payment itself is $1,233.56, but we want to know how much they're going to give the actual National Trust Company to pay both that, their property bill, and their homeowners insurance. So we're going to start off with the mortgage. The mortgage is already monthly, so we just have to record that. That's going to be one of our payments, $1,233.56. But then our property bill is paid $5,206 semi-annually. Semi-annually means every 6 months because there's 2 of them in a year. So that means that we need to take our $5,206 and we're going to divide it by 6, since it's, again, that's semi-annually 6 months. And that leaves us with $867.67 for our monthly property bill payment. So I'm going to add that on to my mortgage payment. And then lastly, we have our homeowners insurance, and the homeowners insurance is billed yearly. So for that, we're going to divide our $1,080 by 12 to get our monthly payment of $90. And that's something else that we're going to have to add on to our payment. So now we have the monthly part of our mortgage, the monthly part of our property bill, and the monthly part of our homeowners insurance. We add those all up, and that tells us that each month they're going to have to pay, or the Macklins are going to have to pay $2,191.23 to the National Trust Company Bank.